Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial where we will explain all about connecting Amazon to your Shopify store. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing is head over to your store and take a look on the left side. Here you will see multiple options from these. You will not find any option. By using that, you can connect your store with your Amazon. So for this, we will use an additional app. So click on the option Add Apps. And if I scroll down, you will not find any apps by which we can connect it to our Amazon. So just click on the option Shopify App Store, and then it will be redirected to another page. Now tap on this search bar and search for Spreader. Below you will see Amazon Importer Spreader app. Click on it, and here you have to click on the option Install. Once you'll click on it, click on the option and install this application in your Shopify store. So I will click on the option Install. And now we are on the dashboard of Spreader. Here you will see 3 steps. So just look at the second step. Join Amazon Associate Program. It's free, plus save your affiliate ID in the dashboard. So here what we have to do, we have to save our affiliate ID in the dashboard. So if I click on the option Amazon Associate, it will redirect to my Amazon because my Amazon account is already created and sign in. If you have not do it, then do it first. Now, let's move back to our Spreader. Here, as I said, I need to save my affiliate ID in the dashboard. So I will click on the option setting, and it will redirect to the Spreader setting. And here you can see the country is United States, plus below Associate ID. So what I need to do is, I need to jump to my Amazon, and here, take a look on the right top, you can see the option of Store. Click on it. Below, you will see your store ID, so just copy the store ID. Once you will copy this, let's move back to our Spreader and just paste that ID which you copy from your Amazon. After pasting, click on the option Save. Now it's updated. Let's move back to our home. Just reload this page. Now, this page has been reloaded. Click on the option Amazon product link, and let's jump to our Amazon. Here what you have to do, just copy the link of that product which you want to sell on your Shopify. Just like I want to sell this Fire Stick. Now, here's my Fire TV stick. What I need to do is I need to copy the address bar. So click on the address bar and copy it. Once you will copy, head back to the Shopify and paste that link in the search bar. After pasting, click on the option Add Product. Now it's adding, and added successfully. Below, you will see my Fire TV stick. Click on the option view, and here I will be redirected to my store. And here you can see that product has been imported to my Shopify, and it was the way by which you can connect Amazon with your Shopify.